Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to UiPath Forms tutorial series. In this video, we will explore UiPath Form Activities one by one. By the end of this video, you will know how to use all the UiPath Form activities that you can see here in the screenshot. So without any delay, let's get started. So once you install uipath.form.activities, left side you can see all these activity. We will go one by one so that you will able to understand how to use this activity and what is the use of all these activities. So first we have bring form to foreground. This activity is used to bring a form to the foreground. It means to front. If your form is hidden, then that will be displayed, that will be visible to you. It means, let's say we have this UiPath Studio and then that form is behind this UiPath Studio, and then using this activity you can show this to front. Let me go to login trigger, and after logging into this application UI demo and setting the message login successful, I will send that form to the background, and after that I will use this bring form to background activity and show you how this activity is bringing your form to the foreground. For that, I will go to snippets and let's take here 5 seconds of delay. So during this time, I will bring that form to the background, and after that I will use this bring form to background. Let's select that form. If you have any instance specified, then you can mention that. If it is single form, then no need to mention anything. Okay. Now after that, let's take few more activity. So we have change form properties. Okay. Change form properties is used to change the position or size of a form that is currently displayed. So let's say we have login form, and if you want to change form property like form title, form state, like normal, minimized, maximized, it means like if you want to, after processing everything, you want to minimize that form here. So you can set that runtime. You want to change the show margin option to no, so that uh, the close, minimize and maximize those button will be hidden here. If you choose no, you can change the width, height, or those size here on runtime. I will select this and I will say after bringing the form to foreground, let's take here 5 seconds delay, and then I will change the form properties to maximize. You can also set it to minimize, and now I will set the show margin to no. Change the title to maximize form, and after 5 seconds I will take this close form activity. So after this we can use this activity to close this form. So this form will be closed. Now we have form event trigger. Let me go to that trigger which we created here. Okay, so I think we created here. So this is login trigger. This is the form event trigger. This we have explained multiple times in the previous videos. This activity is used to handle form events like button click, form closed, form focus lost, form focus gained, form state change like minimized, restored, username changed, password changed, login click, these things. Now we have get form values. So get form values, if you want to watch this video in detail, you can watch my previous videos, search get form values in the UiPath form playlist. So here I have already used that one. So I'm getting the credentials from UiPath form, and then I'm putting this credential in the UI demo application to launch and log in that. So we have used this get form values. Now this is run form script. Run form script is used to execute a custom script in a form that is currently displayed. So here we can select a form and then we can write JavaScript code to execute that. We will cover this activity in another video. Now let's move to set form values. Set form values we have used here. This is used to set a value to forms at runtime. So in the previous video I have shown that after successfully login, we are setting this message login successful to the form. Once I will run this process, then you will see that demo as well. And we have show form activity. Show form activity is used to show the form to users. If we'll go to main, you can see we have used this show form activity. We are selecting that form, and if you want to get the value, pass the value to form, you can use this arguments and you can set the directions in out or in out, and you can use these values here. Let's run this. So this is the UI demo form. Let's enter the credential here. So using show form activity, we are showing this form, right? Now once we'll enter this credential here, using get form values activity, this credential will be retrieved and entered into the UI demo application. It seems that application is installed, already launched. Let me find out from here. Let me close that. Okay, this is already running here. Let's stop this. Let's run this. So this is the UI demo form. Using show form activity, we are showing this form here. Now let's enter the credential. Okay, now whatever credential that we have entered here, once we'll click on this login button, the credential will be retrieved using get form values activities, and then it will enter the credential into this UI demo application, log into that. Now once this is successfully logged in, using set form values activity, we can set a specific message to this, and then using this we can set the form to the foreground, and after 5 seconds it changes the form properties to the maximize mode, and also you know it removed basically on top the margins like minimize, closed, those things, and title. And after that 5 seconds it closed that form. So form is now closed here. If you can see, we are not getting that form here, that is closed. Let's close this UI demo as well. And now here, as we have not used stop trigger, so it has not stopped this execution as well. It is still listening for, waiting for the triggers. Let's stop that. And now you can search for stop local trigger activity. You can put that at the end after closing the form, and this will stop the execution as well. So that's it for today's video. We have successfully covered all the UiPath form activities. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.